Alright, so the first transformation that we'll be performing in this Excel sheet is extracting the month number. For that, we're going to locate the order date column and we're going to click on it to activate it. Next, we're going to navigate to the top column and click on Add Column. And then over here, we have a drop down menu with options such as year, month, quarter, week, and days. Now we're going to select month and here click on month. This will add a new column at the end of the table, displaying the numeric representation of the month. In this video, we explore Power BI, a powerful business intelligence tool within the Microsoft Power Platform that helps transform raw data into meaningful insights. You'll see how Power BI simplifies data analysis, enabling businesses to make informed decisions effortlessly. So let's get started. Now before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Now let's begin with a quick overview of Power BI. Power BI is a powerful business intelligence and data visualization tool developed by Microsoft. It helps transform raw data into meaningful insights, making it easier for businesses to make informed decisions. With Power BI, you can effortlessly create interactive reports and dashboards, helping you understand data in a visually compelling way. Here's how Power BI empowers you. It allows you to connect to data from various sources, including Excel, databases, and cloud services, making it easy to access and integrate information. With its visualization capabilities, you can build charts, graphs, and maps that can present data in a clear and insightful way, helping you understand complex information at a glance. Power BI also enables you to analyze data by transforming and modeling it, allowing you to uncover trends and patterns that drive better decision making. Finally, the platform makes it simple to share insights by collaborating in real time and securely distributing reports and dashboards within your team or organization. By bringing all these capabilities together, Power BI turns complex data into actionable insights, helping you make smarter, data-driven decisions. So before going into further detail, let's quickly discuss Power Platform. The Microsoft Power Platform is a suite of tools designed to empower individuals and organizations to analyze data, automate processes, build solutions, and create virtual agents. It empowers both technical and non-technical users to tackle business challenges. With its low-code or no-code capabilities, users can build solutions efficiently with minimal coding effort. Now let's take a look at its key features. The first is low-code development. You can build applications and provide solutions fast without being a coding expert. Drag, drop, and customize. Data connectivity. You can easily connect to your data, whether it's in Excel, databases, or cloud services, and use it seamlessly in your applications and automation. Next is Dataverse. This is your central data hub, a secure place to store and organize all your data for apps, processes, and insights. Lastly, AI Builder. This will add intelligence to your applications without needing to be a data scientist. Use tools to predict outcomes, recognize data, and analyze forms automatically. Alright, now let's move on and discuss why we use the Power Platform. The Microsoft Power Platform offers a range of benefits that makes it a powerful tool for businesses and individuals alike. Let's discuss some of its major benefits. It simplifies complex processes. It automates repetitive tasks with Power Automate and enables non-developers to create custom apps using Power Apps. Next, it enhances decision making. It provides real-time insights and trend analysis through interactive Power BI dashboards. It also boosts collaboration. It allows seamless sharing of apps, workflows, and dashboards while integrating effortlessly with Microsoft 365 tools. It empowers non-technical users. The low-code and no-code tools enables employees to build solutions without requiring advanced technical skills. It's also cost-effective. It reduces dependence on developers, making it a scalable solution for businesses of all sizes. Next is seamless integration. It connects with a wide range of Microsoft and third party services, ensuring compatibility with existing systems. Lastly, it drives innovation. It encourages creativity and problem solving by enabling users to develop and deploy solutions quickly. With these capabilities, the Power Platform transforms how organizations analyze data, automate processes, and build solutions, making it an essential tool for modern business success. Moving on, let's discuss the core components of the Power Platform. The first is Power Automate. Power Automate, formerly Microsoft Flow, streamlines workflows between applications and services, automating tasks like notifications, approvals, and system integrations to boost efficiency. Next is Power Apps. Power Apps is a low code platform for building custom business applications that run on the web or mobile, integrating easily with Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, and other data sources. Next is Power Virtual Agents. Power Virtual Agents lets users create intelligent chatbots without coding using a simple drag and drop interface and integrating with Power Automate for advanced workflows. Finally, we have Power BI. Power BI is a versatile tool for creating interactive reports and dashboards, connecting to various data sources to simplify analysis and support informed decision making. Alright, let's briefly explore business intelligence tools. Business intelligence tools are software applications designed to help organizations collect, process, analyze, and visualize data to make informed decisions. These tools transform raw data into meaningful insights, enabling businesses to identify trends and optimize strategies. Business intelligence tools offers a wide range of powerful features that help organizations make data-driven decisions. The first is data integration. Data integration allows users to easily connect to various data sources such as databases, Excel files, and cloud platforms, ensuring seamless data access. Next is reporting. Reporting automates the generation of reports and enables the seamless sharing of insights with stakeholders, ensuring that everyone stays informed with the latest data. Then, data analysis. It allows users to apply queries, filters, and calculations to process and refine data, uncovering deep insights for better decision making. Next is predictive analytics. It utilizes historical data to identify patterns and forecast future trends, helping businesses make proactive and strategic decisions. Lastly, data visualization. It converts complex data sets into clear and interactive charts, graphs, dashboards, and reports, making it easier to interpret information and drive informed actions. Now let's examine the different types of data visualizations in Power BI. In Power BI, data visualizations are tools that present data graphically, helping users understand patterns, trends, and insights. Now, here are the main types of visualizations available in Power BI. The first is bar and column charts. You can use these to compare data side by side. Bar charts are horizontal and column charts are vertical. Next is line and area charts. Now, these are perfect for showing trends over time. Line charts use lines while area charts fill the space under the lines to emphasize the data. Then we have pie and donut charts. These show parts of a whole. Pie charts are round and complete, while donut charts have a hole in the middle for a modern look. Then we have tables and matrices. These are ideal for displaying data in rows and columns, like a spreadsheet. Matrices allow grouping and summarizing. Then maps. These are great for showing data with geographic locations like sales by region or population by country. Then we have scatter and bubble charts. Now these used to show relationship between two or more variables. Bubble charts add a third dimension with the bubble size. Power BI is a powerful tool designed to enhance data analysis by providing intuitive visualization, seamless integration, and real-time insights. Visualization allows users to create interactive dashboards and reports, making complex data easier to understand, analyze, and interpret. Data integration enables seamless combination of data from multiple sources, providing a unified and comprehensive view for more informed decision making. Real-time monitoring offers instant insights through real time updates, allowing businesses to quickly adapt to changing conditions and make timely decisions. Lastly, collaboration facilitates easy sharing of reports and dashboards with team members, ensuring seamless teamwork and promoting data driven decision making across the organization. With these capabilities, Power BI empowers businesses to turn raw data into actionable insights, driving efficiency and strategic growth. Now let's move on to the hands-on demonstration of Power BI. We will explore how the data view functions in Power BI and understand its role in analyzing datasets. Additionally, we will walk through the process of transforming data using Power Query, enabling us to clean, shape, and prepare data for meaningful insights. Let's get started. Alright, so I'll be demonstrating how to work with Power BI for data visualization and transformation. We'll start by loading and viewing some data using different visualization tools such as bar charts, pie charts, and donut charts. Then I'll walk you through how to transform that data using Power Query to better prepare it for analysis. So let's begin. So this is the Power BI homepage where you can either start a new report or load an existing one. Today we'll import data from a sample dataset. So first I'll show you how we can visualize the data using various charts. So let's just click on blank report over here and click on import data from Excel because we'll be loading an Excel sheet, and we'll scroll down and load our data, orders data, and click on open. This usually takes a few seconds. Now when the file connects, ensure that the checkbox next to the data set over here, that is orders data, is selected to preview the data. So we'll just click on the checkbox over here. Now to view the data without transformation, click load. The data will appear in Power BI. So this just takes a few seconds. So as you can see on the right hand side, our data has been loaded successfully, and we can just view our data by clicking over the drop down menu, and here is our data. Now in order to create visualization, we can select bar chart from the visualization pane, and then we can select whatever value we want to display. For example, we want to display our quantity sold and the profit we have earned on it. So we can just select quantity. First we're going to select subcategory, and then we're going to select quantity and profit. So here you can see that a chart between the quantity sold and the profit on it has been displayed. Next we can also display a pie chart. So for that we're going to select pie chart from here. So now let's say we want to display region wise quantity sold through the pie chart. So for that we're going to select region and quantity. So this is our pie chart which display region wise quantity sold. Next we're going to select a donut chart. Now let's say we want to display our segment wise profit through a donut chart. So for that we're going to select segment and profit. So this chart displays segment wise profit. Alright, so now we can move on to transforming our data. I'll open Power Query for that, which is where we can clean and shape our data. We can also remove duplicates or even combine data from different sources. Now this allows us to make the data more useful and organized for deeper analysis. Alright, so now in order to transform our data using Power Query, we're going to click on blank report. We're going to import our data from Excel. We have selected our sample data. Click on open. Again, ensure that the checkbox next to the data set is selected to preview the data. So we are going to select the checkbox. And over here below the preview pane, you can see we have three options available. We can either load, transform data, or we can just cancel. So we are going to click on transform data. So this is the Power Query editor. Alright, so the first transformation that we'll be performing in this Excel sheet is extracting the month number. For that, we're going to locate the order date column. and we're going to click on it to activate it. Next, we're going to navigate to the top column and click on Add Column. And then over here, we have a drop down menu with options such as year, month, quarter, week, and days. Now we're going to select month and here click on month. This will add a new column at the end of the table displaying the numeric representation of the month. Next, if you want to extract the name of the month from the order date, we're going to go back and select the order date. We're going to click on drop down menu over here, click on month, and then click on name of the month. So a new column will be created displaying the name of the month. So here you can see that we have inserted a month name. Next, we're going to transform our data by creating a custom column. For that, we're going to click on Add Column. We're going to click on Custom Column over here. And here we'll just name our new column. Let's say we want to name it Actual Price. And we're going to give a formula for it. Let's say I want to add sales, insert, minus profit, insert. So now there are no syntax error. We can just click on OK. And here we can see that our new column has been created, named Actual Price. Now here if you see, the data type for each column is shown in the column header as a small icon next to the column name. Now this icon represents the data type of the column. For example, a calendar icon is for date, a numeric icon is for numeric types. So if you want to change the data type, you can just simply click over here and select the desired type from the drop down list. For example, we'll select decimal number over here. Next, if you want to delete a column, you can click on the column header. Let's say we want to delete the custom column we created. Then in the Applied Steps pane, you can locate the step where the column was added and simply click over here on the cross icon to delete the column. And click on Delete. So the column Actual Price of the table is deleted. So let's quickly wrap up and see what we have discussed in this video. We have explored the fundamentals of Power BI, its role within the Microsoft Power Platform, and why it's a powerful tool for data analysis. We discussed the core components of the Power Platform, the significance of business intelligence tools, and their key features. Additionally, we covered the different types of data visualizations in Power BI and how they help transform raw data into meaningful insights. With its robust capabilities, Power BI empowers businesses to make informed decisions with ease. So this concludes our session for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues and friends who might benefit from this information. If you have any questions or topics that you would like us to cover in the future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Also, to enroll in our latest PL 900 course, click the link in the description box.